Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off silence unknown callers on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we go down and then tap on Phone. Next, go down and in here tap on Silence Unknown Callers. Now on this page, tap on Silence Unknown Callers. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn off Silence Unknown Callers. Now when this is turned on, it said that calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the recent list. Incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, and Siri suggestions. So this is pretty much like blocking unknown callers, except that it will go to voicemail, and it will not just completely be declining them. It just go to voicemail, and that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.